Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the language on Facebook BC 2025. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to change the language on Facebook BC. First, just go to Facebook and then click in your profile picture and then click setting and privacy, and you see here language. Just click on it, and Facebook language, you can see here English US. Just click on it, and after that you select the language you want. Okay, for example, if I want here Vietnamese, just click on it. Yeah, it's done. Now the language has changed to Vietnamese. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to change the language on Facebook PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.